Hi, my name is Brad Browning, creator of the X Factor, the #1 X-Back product on ClickBank. Even though you think it's impossible, I'll teach you how to use this technique to compel your ex to fall back in love with you again, for good. If you're reading this right now, then you're probably going through a breakup. I'm also guessing you're feeling heartbroken, hopeless, and, at times, on the verge of an emotional breakdown. Listen, I know exactly what you're going through. I've been through my share, but today is your lucky day, because I've got great news for you. You can get your ex back. If you follow my advice, you'll be able to turn the tables completely. I've done the hard part and developed a step-by-step system of techniques that will quickly change their feelings about you. I've identified the key buttons that you need to push to engage their feelings and desires. These buttons are the key. Once you know which buttons to push, you just need to go out and push them. And that's why I built a comprehensive step-by-step guide to walk you through the process. Real, proven techniques. Click the link in the description for all of my details.